Hello everyone, my name is Phoebe. Welcome to Fordeer. In this video, I will show you how to customize your invoices to make them more professional and compliant. Let's go to customization page on our app. Here, our app supports 4 types of documents. Now, let's see how to customize them. Select the template type you want to edit. Here you will see 7 different types. Each type represents an important section of the invoice. Let me walk you through them. First one, branding. Here you can upload your logo, edit color, and font style. Next one is overview. Overview will include order-related details such as payment method, shipping method, and you can editable this feature here. Next one is shop detail. Will show your store information like store name, email, VAT ID, and address. Next one, we'll go to shipping info and billing info. 2 sections will display customer details such as name, address, zip code, location ID, VAT ID, customer message view. And next one is line item and total. The line item and total will show the list of product and the total price of the invoice. Here. You can toggle button to show a high specific field on the invoice. Once you're done, click Save to apply the changes. You can also switch to order preview to test if the layout looks good for different order. For example, this one. Yes. And that's it. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to us via live chat or email. Goodbye.